As we continue to think about the ideas in the new psychology of leadership and how social identity theory helps us understand leadership, I thought it would be helpful to summarize the key points of that theory and the model the authors are presenting in the book. The main idea of social identity theory is that being part of a group influences an individual's sense of who they are, their self-concept. The process is referred to as social identification and leads to what is called depersonalization, which is when an individual defines themselves more in terms of the group than in terms of their individual characteristics. That model can be applied to understand leadership emergence by helping us think about how the group influences individual identity, and therefore who's seen to be a legitimate member of the group, with the assumption that legitimacy is required for leadership emergence. The authors of the New Psychology of Leadership refer to that as prototypicality. Social identity theory can also help us understand leadership effectiveness. One train of thought is that an individual can also achieve legitimacy by promoting the group's interest, a process the book's authors call championing the group. They also mention that an individual doesn't necessarily have to be seen as prototypical of the group to promote that group's identity, so someone might emerge and be effective by championing the group. Identity leadership, or the identity leadership model, explains leadership and emergence and effectiveness as being the combination of being representative of the group, promoting it, and understanding the way group membership influences individual members' identity, and, therefore, their behaviors.